Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that sometimes we just need to let it out, let your inner stress and anxiety outside of your mind. Basically, vent out your inner stress and anxiety in in some shape or form. I mean, if you just if you just keep that anxiety, keep that stress bottled up within yourself, that might actually come out in various counterproductive ways. You might actually end up doing something that you did not want to do because you were feeling stressed out. All that stress, all that anxiety, all that anger may have been getting uh, bottled up within yourself, and bottled up anxiety, stress, anger, it might come out in a form that you might not like, that might actually be very, very counterproductive. So how to vent out your inner stress and your anxiety in a way that would basically bring you lasting relief, I guess. So first of all, there are always going to be problems. Life is going to, as long as you are living, there are going to be some problems that you are going to face in your life. You are not always going to happy. You have to get that out of the way right from the start. Life is not going to be always rosy and happy. Sometimes life will throw its share of problems. Sometimes you might go through an existential crisis. So keep that perspective, keep that thing in mind whenever you might be going through a bad phase in your life, because nobody's life is always going to be full of full of happiness. Some people are always going to go through their bad patches, bad phases in life. so yeah, how to vent out your inner stress in case you are actually going through a bad phase in your life. How to vent out your inner anxiety. As I said, meditation can help. You can play a video game that is very relaxing. There are various kinds of video games that uh, in which you actually don't have to accomplish any kind of set objective. You don't have to make a high score. You don't have to do anything like that. There is no high score that you have to attain. There is no set of objectives that you have to achieve within that video game. In that video game, you just need to play that game just for the sake of getting some relaxation and de-stressing yourself. So there is no violence within the game. There is no there is no nothing that will fire up your emotions in any way, in any shape or form, or in any way. Those video games are just basically uh, meant to uh, help you de-stress and help you get over your anxiety. That's basically what it is. You just relax, play the game, and by the end of the game, hopefully you would feel very, very relaxed and very, very calm. That's basically the objective of various games. So you can play these kinds of games. You can read some books. Reading books, has been humanity's one of the earliest pastimes. So a lot of people, back in the day, 1,000 years ago, there weren't smartphones, there weren't computers, people weren't playing video games, but people were reading books for leisure. I am pretty sure that they had other pastimes as well, but reading books was also one of the things that people did during those days. And reading something that you like. I mean, I'm not saying that you have to read something that you do not like. Just read something that you like. Any storybook, any even children's stories can be pretty great. I have to admit. Uh, Read some novels, read some horror novels, thriller novels. Read some read some philosophy if you want to, but again, philosophy can be boring for a lot of people. So there are various things that you can do, various kinds of books that you can read, and they will actually help you de-stress and help you forget your problems even for a second, I guess, or even for a minute, or even for an hour, because you would be engrossed by the book. You would be fascinated by the contents of the book. You can read about various kinds of things. So you can read books. We can play some relaxing video game. You can also you can also write a book. I mean, there are a lot of people who basically express themselves and express their inner opinions about express their hidden opinions about things that they don't speak about a lot. They can express themselves through books, by writing those books, by writing those opinions down in a book. So writing down writing a book and making sure that even if that book doesn't get published, if you just write a novel just for the sake of your own pleasure, that would be great. I mean, what's wrong with that? You don't have to get anything published. You can just write. You can just write for the sake of your own leisure. You can just write for the sake of your own happiness, for the sake of your own well-being. And that can be anything. You can write a novel. You can write about philosophy. You can write about you can write about science. Whatever it is that you are interested in, you can write about that. So it doesn't always have to be something serious. You can write children's stories. That would, a lot of people find great amount of joy writing children's stories. So anything that gives you pleasure, that gives you helps you vent out your stress, you can do that. I might talk about this more in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video, or I might not talk about this in the next video, I guess. Who knows? So until the next video, please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.